Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the AstroAI S8 to see if it's really the ultimate jump-starter for emergencies. About the product. The AstroAI S8 jump-starter uses the ultra-powerful discharge technology of a lithium battery to help users jump-start car batteries that are fully depleted or in a low-temperature environment. It also functions as a power bank and emergency flashlight. It is a must-have tool for the outdoors. Each AstroAI multifunctional jump starter will be free from defects in material and craft. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the AstroAI S8 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, power button, battery level indicator, 12-volt jump start port, quick charge input port, smart battery clamps, 5-volt or 2.4 ampere output port, LED flashlight. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Proceed to the next step when the clamp's indicator remains green. Press the boost button. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.